Hey YouTube, I'm going to be doing a tabletop review of the Stinger 532P shotgun. It is Crosman and shoots 350 FPS. It's spring powered and holds about 20 bullets or more. It's an extremely accurate and good gun, and the way you load it, I'm not sure if you've ever seen it the way you load it before, but you put your BBs in here, 3 for example, put it like that, push it down, then put it back in. It's pump action, so you reload it every time. It's the barrel, or whatever this is, the pump, is made of metal, and it is see-through. I'm not sure if I'm like see-through guns, but they are really good by Crosman. This is an extremely accurate gun, but it doesn't have any sights to it, so you have to kind of aim. I use the railings for the sights, but that's really all. It does have a safe, and the safe does work right here. I can't pull the trigger, pop it out here. Okay. It does have hop-up, I'm pretty sure, and you can attach stuff to here. I just never really thought I should because it is a shotgun. So, yeah. It actually, I was wrong. I'm sorry. It holds 17 BBs. Here, I don't know if you could see it right here. Holds 17 rounds. Now, I find the best BBs to be the heavier white ones, the .20 grams. I find they fly straighter but not as far, and that might not be the best, but I think accuracy is really what matters. And it does have, this is plastic right here, this is metal. It does have a metal core or whatever, and it's really, really shiny for some reason, different from normal airsoft guns. And yeah, next I'm going to be reviewing another Crosman gun. I got it about the same time, and it's about it, but next I'm actually going to be doing a shooting test, and then the other gun. But check out the Airsoft Master 3's videos. He has way better videos. And he has a new gun for Crosman that shoots about the same, but it also came with a pistol. So yeah, thank you.